welcome to the pilot episode of Ties for Fun. Today I'm going to be introducing to you the Half-Windsor. This is not the name of the full Windsor, this is actually called the Half-Windsor because you take out one step out of the full Windsor. It is quite simple to tie and can also be used for any kind of event, formal, semi-formal, and even just casual. And now we will explore how to correctly and properly tie this knot. Now, this is the narrow end, this is the wide end. You want to take the tip of the narrow end and rest it slightly just right above your belly button. And that is how you prepare before you start tying the full Windsor. Now next what you want to do is take the narrow end and just pin it right there on your chest. Yeah, you can hold it. Then you take the wide end and cross it over. That is the first step. Now take this wide end and bring it through the neck loop and pull it down to your left side. Now you're going to take the wide end and go around the back of the small end to the right side. And you should end up with a shape like such. Now from the last step, we're going to take the wide end and cross it over. This part here, this section, will now become our loophole. Now take that wide end, throw it through the neck loop, pull it out. Now you take this little triangle piece and open it up. That will make the loophole for where you stick the tie through. And you're going to take the tip of the wide end, push it through this loop, and then now you've made your tie. You've now successfully tied the Half-Windsor. Now follow the next step. Now what you do next is take your finger and put it inside the knot and then just make a little dimple. This dimple will allow it so your tie doesn't look flat while you're wearing it. Next, take the narrow end on the back and pull it down while pushing the knot up, therefore tightening your tie. Now you can take the tip of the narrow end and just push it through the keeper loop on the back side of the wide end. Well done, gentlemen, you have now tied the Half-Windsor knot. Now go pull that 9 to 5 with confidence. See you next time on Ties for Fun.